Welcome to this hypnotherapy session where we focus on finding yourself. Make sure you are not driving for this session and you're allowing your mind and body to fully relax. Gently invite your eyes to close down, and as you're listening to my voice, you start to feel much relaxed, much lighter. You're allowing your mind and body to fully relax. Take a big deep breath. Inhale it with your nose and exhale it with your mouth. I want you to imagine a beautiful staircase in front of you where you're so comfortable and cheerful to walk by, because you know that of end of that staircase there is standing by someone who is really important for you. And that person or that version is gonna show you your answers, how to find your inner self again. As you're walking through that beautiful staircase, where you're taking step by steps, easily and smoothly, to reach to that shape, to that person, to that version, because you know that there is all the answers that you've been looking for, how to find yourself again. As you're trusting that process of walking by and reaching towards that version, your mind already opened up to receive, to expand, to see clearly. And as I count till 3 down, you're gonna hold that person's hand, that version over their hand. 3, you're getting closer. 2, you're accepting. And 3, you're holding that hand. You're not talking, you're not sharing. You're just allowing everything passing through to you. All the feelings, emotions, vibrations that you've been missing till now. Allow your body, your mind, fully charging up with that. And as you're wishing by to finding yourself, you know that it's gonna happen by tonight when you're gonna go to sleep. Now you're just allowing yourself to be fully charged with everything that you need to have, to know, to feel, to decide, to make a step and actions towards that answer of how to finding myself. Take another 3 big deep breaths, allowing your body fully charging up from your head till the bottom of your legs. You're allowing everything to charge what been missing and needed to have. And as I count down again till 3, you're gonna acknowledge everything, accept everything, and allowing your body to come back to right here, to right now, to this room. 3, your body come back and you feel your body again. On 2, you're moving your hands and feet. On 1, you're feeling eased, awake, and alert. And on 0, you're opening your eyes. Welcome back. Tonight, when you go to sleep, there gonna be all the answers how to find your inner self. Therefore, keep a journal next to your bed with a pen, and whatever shall come up to you, just write those things down. And let me know in this comment what was your dreams or ways of finding yourself back. Bye everyone for now.